Okay, here they are. They're in a new swimming pool. Here's Bella. Bella! Bella! Hey, Bella! What a good girl. What a good girl. Here's Tucker. Tucker! Tucker! Hey, boy! Hey! There's Finley. Finley! Hey, boy! Hey! Oh, who's barking? Who's barking? Here's little Mandy. Mandy, hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Come here, Mako. There's Mako. Hi, boy. Hi. You see they're starting to look like quarries now. Almost all the ears are totally up except for little Bella. She has one little bit down. Oh, don't cry. Oh, Mako, he doesn't have his up yet, but they're coming. See, they're coming off of his head. Hey, Mako. Oh, yes, I know. You went out. Yeah, Finley, you barking? You barking, boy? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, are you barking, Bella? Hey, Bella. Oh. Oh. Such mean dogs. Yeah, such mean dogs. We're getting things outside ready so they can start going out when it's nice out. Yeah. What you doing? What? Bella? Bella? Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Oh, you're going to chew the blanket? Okay. Oh, you're going to have help? Okay. Oh. What you doing, Mandy? Hey, little girl. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Tucker. Hey, Chuck, look at you. Look at you. What a pretty boy you are. Is Finley trying to bite your ears? Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, I know. I know. So sad. Yeah, so sad. Yeah, Beth doesn't want to be with them too much anymore, so they're eating dry food and drinking their water. Hey, Mandy. Hey, Mandy. Yeah. Hey, Mandy. Finley. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. You gonna bite her ear? Yeah. There's Tucker. He's gonna play too. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at you. Well, thank you, Tucker. Thank you. What you crowing about, Finley? Oh, y'all brought it back for me. Well, that was nice. Thank you, Mandy. Thank you. Oh, Bella. Bella. Hey, girl. Oh, you're going to help me again? Huh? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, goodness. What? Oh, you're going to take it back for me? Good, baby. Oh, now you're going to dig it up? Okay, well, I wanted to see how they were all doing. They're really cute. Have a good day.